Hey guys, we're going to replace the air filter in the new Nissan Kicks 2025 and up. We've got to open the hood, and there's a latch here that you have to turn towards the passenger side, and then the prop rod is mounted to the under the hood. You just got to pull up and out on it, and once you do, this is where the docking point is, just in front of the windshield washer reservoir cap. And once you have that in place, your hood is being held up, and then we're going to access the filter. So it is on the front driver's side, and it's pretty easy. There are only two locking latches you see there. So one's there and the other's there, and you just have to pull down firmly, okay? So once you pull down, you want to pull up and out, okay? The reason why we want to pull up and out is because you see that little prong there that holds it in place. And once you get it up like that, you just have to pull it up just enough that you have room to take the filter out. You don't want to pull too high on that cover, but just enough space so you can get it out there. And that's a filter, so it's not that dirty. It's only 10,000 kilometers on this vehicle, so we're gonna put it back in. So reinstallation is the opposite of removal. That little tab there allows you to pull on it a little bit. So putting it back, you just have to get it in position. Make sure the ends sit flush. And once that's in place, you just gotta make sure, again, that little prong there on the left side has to slot into the little hole there like that, as you see, okay? So once that's in place, you just push down and it should sit in position. And once it's in position, you pull those latches back up. And if you did it right, it should lock. You can press down on the top a little bit as you do that, but you see it locks in place there. And then you just wiggle it around a little bit once you put those latches back on. And if it's tight, you're done. That's it. Nice and easy.